You spend hours crafting the perfect short. You pick the right sound, add the text, edit it just right. You hit publish, and then the worst thing happens. Your short gets low views. It's like your video never existed. And the worst part? You see other creators blowing up with simple videos that don't even look that good. You start thinking, is the algorithm broken? Is my channel shadow banned? Is it me? Here's the truth. YouTube isn't punishing you. The truth is, it's not your video. It's your keywords. If you don't use keywords that people are actually searching for, YouTube doesn't know who to show your video to, so it just doesn't. That's the mistake most creators make. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. I'll walk you through, step by step, how to use a tool called Shorts SEO to find the right keywords, so your next short actually shows up and gets views. First, go to Shorts SEO. I've attached a link in the description below. Sign into your account, and on your dashboard, click Keyword Research. This will open the keyword research page. Here you can type the keyword of the short you're interested in making. Say you're thinking of making ASMR YouTube shorts. You type and search ASMR as a start. When the search is complete, you'll see different keyword data on the page. Let's break this down. The first box shows your keywords' monthly searches. The higher the monthly searches, the better. This number looks good. The second box shows competition level. Ideally, what you want is a keyword with low to medium competition. This keyword has high competition, therefore it isn't good. The last box shows the keyword's trend direction. That's a prediction of whether people will keep searching for it or not. For this, we want either a stable trend direction or upwards trend direction. This keyword has a stable trend direction, which is okay. But since it's got a high competition score, we'll skip it and go look at some related search queries and keywords that people have been searching for to narrow down our keyword for better results. We'll pick ASMR food and see what we'll get. ASMR food has medium competition, downward trend direction, and a less than satisfying amount of monthly searches. Let's take a look at the related queries and keywords to see if we can further narrow our search. Let's try ASMR food Korean. This keyword has high monthly searches, low competition, and a stable trend direction. We've found an excellent keyword to use. We can also check the search interest graph to see how it's performed over time. Lastly, we'll see the top performing shorts section to see what kind of shorts under this keyword are performing best. This will give us an idea of how we should make our short. And just like that, we've got a great keyword to make our next shorts video go viral. Thanks for watching.